Okay, in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through some CPA networks that you can apply to. Just keep in mind that it may take a few days for you to get approved for some of these networks. Okay, so the first network here is called Market Health. So this is if you want to promote some health related CPA offers. Okay, the next one is Max Bounty at maxbounty.com. This is probably one of the most popular CPA networks out there. The next one is Cash Network. Okay, another one is getoffersdirect.com. Another one is cpaprosperity.com. And another one is converttomedia.com. And there's pointclicktrack.com. And another one is clickrover.com.